morning, guys. It is April 13th, 2021. So then I got a call from a guy. He said he's got a AC system that's leaking water. So obviously it's too cold. It's too cold to be running the AC, so it's got to be on the heat pot. So he's probably got a 90 plus furnace that's leaking water. Well, it's only 40 degrees, 45 degrees. He ain't running AC now. Well, we're gonna go over there and see if we can find out. Maybe it's the pump that's bad, or got a leak somewhere, or sometimes the pumps get slimy. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get there. Miss Molly is working again, y'all. Yeah, she's working again. Miss Molly, you're working again, Miss Molly. Are you working again?
There you go.
There it goes. It was just tripped.
Okay.
See the little reset button?
Yeah.
I had to push it in.
Okay.
That was easy.
Yeah. So that's that pump. So this goes to that pump then. Okay.
Yeah. Now it's pumping. I mean, I guess it could have been worse. I could have sold you a pump, right?
Yeah.
Easy's good. That's all it was. Oh, if that ever happens again, just hit that little button. See that little button where it says test and then reset?
Yeah.
That's all it was.
So that was that had
I think what I did was I changed the board here or something last time I was here.
right there.
New gas valve,
Yeah.
a propane kit.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, that's an easy one.
How often
Propane.
should I have these things serviced? I went up in my
Is it running good? Yeah.
Yeah, it's been running fine.
I probably should clean the flame sensor while I'm here. At least that.
Yeah, I mean whatever you want.
While I'm here, I mean,
Service
let
it,
me
yeah.
get my thing. While I'm here, I might as well clean the flame sensor.
Yeah.
Yeah, something's beeping in the garage. Them smoke alarms will do that sometimes. Even the battery, if they got batteries in them, or.
Right.
Have you been changing the filter in the furnace?
I have, yeah.
Okay.
Probably not as often as I should.
That's kind of
Every 3 months or so.
Oh, that's fine. I mean, especially with the air conditioning, it's important.
Yeah.
You shut off the unit here. At least it's easy to get to on this one.
Yeah.
Other than that, it's been running okay, no issues.
Yeah, no real issues.
A little bad. A little dark and dingy down here, huh? I don't see nothing. It's kind of really terrible, but it's the way of my life. At least I got that clean. It's all in here. Were you debating on whether to get the shot or not, or you want it for sure?
No, I'll get it.
Most people are at the point where they just want to get it, I guess. Probably better to get it than not have it.
Yeah, absolutely.
So you don't die. I mean, some people have died from it, so I don't know.
Right. I think you're better off just getting it myself.
Most people I know are getting it.
Yeah.
Alright, so I got it back on. So we reset the electrical plug and clean the flame sensor.
Okay.
If that thing trips out again, probably gonna have to replace that plug.
Okay.
But you know what, just to push it in and reset it, it might just have been a freak thing.
Yeah, I could have just